A 40-question English quiz covering grammar, vocabulary, and more. Begin now and check your level. Which spelling is correct? Answer B, especially. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer D, colleague. Choose a synonym for feudal. Answer C, useless. Which word is closest in meaning to accept? Answer B, excluding. What does no-brainer mean? Answer D, easy choice. What does push your luck imply? Answer C, take risks. Which word is the opposite of rigid? Answer B, flexible. Choose the antonym of defiant. Answer C, submissive. What is the plural of leaflet? Answer D, leaflets. Choose the correct plural form of engineer. Answer A, engineers. Fill in the blank. Answer B, he's used to waking up early. Complete the sentence. Answer C, I'm bad at remembering names. Identify the past form of shrink. Answer D, shrank. Choose the past form of swear. Answer B, swore. What is the opposite of candid? Answer D, deceptive. Which word is the antonym of diminish? Answer A, expand. Select the opposite of vast. Answer D. Tiny. What does loose cannon refer to? Answer B. Unpredictable. What does wet blanket mean? Answer A. Joy spoiler. What does step up your game imply? Answer C. Improve. Find a synonym for enduring. Answer B. Lasting. Choose a synonym for gregarious. Answer A. Sociable. Which word is closest in meaning to enough? Answer C. Sufficient. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B. Neighbor. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer A. Decision. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Pleasure. What is the past form of wet? Answer C. Wet. Identify the past tense of overtake. Answer D. Overtook. Choose the past form of split. Answer C. Split. Complete the phrase. Answer A. He warned me about the danger. Fill in the blank. Answer C. She prevented him from making a mistake. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. He is famous for his inventions. What is the plural of beehive? Answer A. Beehives. Select the plural form of shoelace. Answer D. Shoelaces. Choose the plural of pine cone. Answer A. Pine cones. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Culture. Which department abbreviation is responsible for managing employees? Answer D. HR. What is the past form of shed? Answer B. Shed. What is the plural of haircut? Answer D. Haircuts. Select the plural of snowman. Answer A. Snowman. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.